Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 160, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, and Warren. In the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Harmon, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Philadelphia, and Steelville. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 160 has been issued from 3:05 p.m. until 9 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Harmon, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Philadelphia, and Steelville.